If you've ever caught yourself wondering, does drinking green tea help you lose weight? You're in good company. So many women, especially those who want a natural, gentle way to feel lighter and more in control, turn to this question when they're tired of harsh diets and exhausting routines. And honestly, it makes sense. Green tea has this calming, almost comforting reputation. It feels safe. It feels doable. It feels like something that could fit into your morning without turning your life upside down. The real reason it helps isn't magic, it's biology. Green tea contains EGCG, a natural compound that encourages your body to burn stored fat more efficiently. And when it teams up with caffeine, your metabolism gets a subtle lift that lasts longer than caffeine on its own. This isn't about punishing workouts or extreme restriction. It's about small, steady shifts that add up, sipping something warm in the morning, taking a short walk afterward, letting your body gradually respond. But here's something most people never hear. Green tea works best when your lifestyle isn't fighting against you. If you're overwhelmed, running on poor sleep, or stuck in stress mode, your body won't respond as strongly. Women who see results often have one thing in common. They're choosing consistency over intensity. Simple habits, gentle routines, a little movement, a little balance. And if you're curious about something that builds on all of these principles, EGCG, thermogenesis, metabolic nudging, but packaged in a way that's much more potent than a cup of tea, check the link in the description. There's a quiet little solution there that's helping women break plateaus and feel lighter again. And once you see what's inside, you'll understand why.